So over here you can see that I have a slide, and let's say that I want to share the file with others so that I can collaborate with them. So in order to do that, simply go on to the top right where you see the share button. So right now it's set to private and to only me. If I were to click on this, you'll be able to see the sharing options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let's say I'm going to type in my second account email address right here. So I can set privileges so that they can be a viewer only, or if they can be just a commenter, or they can be editor. That means they'll be able to edit the file fully. So I'm just going to go and set it as editor, and you can also set a message to notify them about it. Once I hit send, what happens is that the file is shared with others, and the others are able to access the file. In order to work around with the sharing settings, simply go back over here and click on that button, and over here you can see that you can set the editing privileges and set it to viewers only. You can remove the collaborator overall or make them an owner just like this. Once you make them an owner, what happens is that now you're not the owner of the file anymore, but the other person is the owner. So that's one way to share it. If you want to share it with people and if you don't know their email addresses, what you can do is you can just copy the link and then share it with other people. So if I were to go on to a new tab and say paste and go, you can see that I get on to the same slide. So if you copy and send it to others via whatever means it might be, they'll be able to access the file. If you're not sure of their email address, what you have to do, however, is click on change to link with anyone. So anyone with the link can view now. So anyone with the link right here can view, or you can set this out to commenter or editor. So anyone with the link will be able to comment or edit this accordingly. But usually when we share it with a lot of people, we don't set the editor privileges. That's not recommended. That is because you don't want unknown people to change your content. And that is the way how you can share your file with other people from within Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.